Good morning guys, I hope everyone is doing great and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a different setup. Today we are shooting with my iPhone 11 Pro, and the reason is, if you remember in the previous videos I've shown that I've bought a Gorilla Pod from Amazon, and unfortunately the Gorilla Pod cannot hold the weight of the camera. So I have to make do it with my phone, and as you know that there's no solution, I can't buy. I am planning to buy another Gorilla Pod, but not very soon. So this is it. That's the reason I'm shooting with my iPhone 11 Pro. So today's video is majorly going to be about the car. So yes, I've got a Honda Civic, and if you have seen in my previous videos, the car was very badly damaged on the exteriors. The interiors and the inside part was repaired, and the outside part was not. So finally, it is done. So it was done, I think, a week before, but I did not show it to you guys. I don't know why. So today is the day that we're going to go into the car, and I'll just show you all the changes that we have made. Not very major, but just on the exterior. The car looks very new. It's just completely, it feels like it's a brand new car. So I'm very excited about it. So let's go to the car. So finally we are in the parking, and before we enter the car I just thought of just starting my bike, because again it's been a week I have not started it. So let's just start the bike and let's just keep it this way for a few seconds. Finally the cover is off from the bike, and now I'm not taking out the bike anywhere, I'm just starting it. Just put the key here. Oh, look at this. Around just 582 kilometers done, and the temperature is 30. Everything's working fine. So let's just start it. Oh, I have missed the sound. So planning to keep this just for 5-10 minutes, then I'll turn it off again, and then let's meet in the car.
A few moments later.
So finally I'm back in the car, and there were a few problems on the exterior, and now they are completely gone. The car is completely fine. And it looks like it's a brand new car. And so the question is, why didn't I take the bike out or the car out for a long ride, maybe when the unlock was announced? But I had planned in doing a bike ride with my friend, but that didn't go as planned, and so the plan had to be cancelled, and I then settled for a shorter ride, which you must have seen in one of the previous videos, I guess. So that was the thing, and it's a very unfortunate thing that again the lockdown has been imposed, because the thing is, like, since I've got this bike, I have not really got a chance to take this out for a longer ride. I just took it out for one long ride, and that was not that long actually. It was just a 140 kilometer ride back and forth. So you must imagine the pain I'm going through right now, because the bike is just sitting there back, and in a week I just come down and just start the bike. But I hope this situation gets over as soon as possible. I know it's not going to be over, it's going to take time, but let's just pray that things open out soon. At least we are able to go out sooner or later, and especially in Mumbai. But with the rising cases, it's not safe at all. But still, if you're just going from point A to point B without getting off your bike or off your car and just returning back home, then I don't see any danger in that. It's just my opinion that we can do this. I guess let's see what happens next after maybe 15 July, because there's strict lockdown. The section 144 has been imposed again in Mumbai as now. and I don't know what's going to happen, what's next in store for us Mumbaikars. But also the hotels are going to open from Wednesday, and by hotels I don't mean restaurants, but the resorts or the places where you can stay basically, and the restaurants in that are going to open especially for the guests. But let's just hope that even the restaurants get open, because their businesses have been stuck, and they have not been into any business or making any profits. So let's just hope that everything gets back to normal with precautions, obviously. And so yeah, so basically talking about the car, this is an old Civic, as I had mentioned earlier, and the exterior was pretty damaged. The bumper there was a dent in the bumper, there was a crack in the bumper on the back side of the bumper, and slowly and gradually we didn't do work on it, and that's why it just came off. I personally had crashed it once or twice, and by crash I mean not any serious, just touched it on the rear or something like that. So that was the thing, the rear bumper came off. Also the front had some dents, so that again has been just cleared, I can say, or maybe just cleaned up. The back bumper has been just completely fixed and painted again, so it looks completely new. The car is now just perfect. I now I now enjoy this car more often. If I'm going out, I now personally don't go out anywhere. If there's any work or something, I just take out the car, maybe just to buy something, or take medicines or anything like that. So I just take the car, not the bike, out, because it's also raining in Mumbai. So there are memes such as like, I've been missing the floods, I've been missing getting stuck in the rain at the station, at the office, etc, etc. So that's the scenario in Mumbai. And I guess so that is about it. That's kind of an update of what's usually going on here with me and with the life in Mumbai. So yeah, anyone who is expecting a vlog, a moto vlog, I can say that I don't know if it's going to happen sooner or later, but let's just hope that it happens after 15th of July, because the lockdown restrictions are not as strict as they are in Thane, Mirabha, Andar, Kalyan, Dombivli and all those areas, but still they are there. And obviously the 2-kilometer rule, which I made a video on previously, so you can check that out as well. So yeah, that's about it. And now let's just go out and have a look of what the car actually looks like. Let's go. So this was the bumper that was cracked before, and it's now completely just looking like a new bumper that I've been set up. But it's not a new bumper, I've just fixed the old bumper. You can see small cracks here, but I've just fixed it with screws, and basically I have not fixed it, the garage guy fixed it, and I've just painted it over it, so it looks completely new. So that's kind of an update to the Civic that we have made. And now I'm back home. Finally you got to see the car, how properly it has been made into, and it really looks new. So that was about the car. I just wanted to share with you that I've been watching this series called It's Dark. I know they have released its 3rd season now, and you probably right now know about it, but still it's really amazing. I've started it I think 3-4 days back. I'm now on to the 6th or 7th episode, I think, of the 1st season. But it's really interesting, it's really intriguing, and if you haven't watched it, you should watch it too, because it's just amazing. And even the weather outside, because of the rains, has turned dark because of that. So let's just enjoy some time lapses, I guess. So that was it for today. I guess you like this style of vlogging, because it's not like a typical sit down video where I just talk about 1 or 2 things or explain you about 1 or 2 things, but this was kind of a proper vlog with a proper vlogging setup. If you want to see more of these videos, these kind of videos or these kind of vlogs, then just do write in the comment section below, and I'll be making more of such vlogs. So yeah, so that was it for today. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and bye bye.